Welcome back to the vlog. As you can see, today we're in the garage, and you remember this car? My girlfriend's TLX? You remember her? My actual girlfriend? Well, today she's gonna go ahead and remove this white vinyl off her car. It's been on the car for 9 months, almost 10. It's pretty sad, but it's gotta go. It's gotta go because we got some things planned for it. But today we're gonna go ahead and let her unwrap the car herself. This is something not a lot of people get to do on a daily basis, and it's actually kind of fun. But we're gonna see how well this vinyl held up and protected the paint over the course of 9 to 10 months. So, are you excited?
7 months.
How long?
7 months. It's been 7 months.
7 months. So what are we doing today?
Peeling off vinyl on
And
my car.
Are you excited to peel this vinyl off?
Yes. Finally.
Do you like this color?
I do love it.
I don't really like it too much.
It's too bright, but...
It's bright, but it looks good with the white. That rhymed. We're gonna set the camera down, and I'm gonna let her peel this vinyl off. So go ahead and do the honors. Leave the mirror for last. We're gonna peel the white first. So let's start over here in this little corner. So I'm gonna get it going first because her nails are really brittle and mine are really disgusting and thick. What you wanna do is always start on the corner or edge. Sometimes people peel this back on the edge so you can just pull it off in one piece. Not doing that will actually tear the vinyl over time. So as you can see here, got it going, and you could just roll it all the way through. So there we go, we got it going. So go ahead and do the honors. Yeah, don't be afraid of it, just rip it right off. There we go. Is it tough?
Not really.
Not really?
It's relatively easy to peel off.
As you can see, the paint still looks really good. There's a little bit of adhesive here. It comes right off. See? How was that?
Very satisfying.
I'm gonna miss the white. The paint looks amazing. We could leave it gunmetal. Do you want a gunmetal, or do you want to wrap it again? You heard it, ladies and gentlemen. We're gonna wrap it again. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on tripod, and she's gonna peel the rest of the car off. Alright guys, a couple hours in, we've already removed all the vinyl off the car. As you can see, it's completely stripped. No more white. Redoing the roof wrap as well, and this time removing the shark fin antenna because I didn't remove it last time. Also, took off the door handles, the trims. Front end. Still on the car, we're probably gonna do that later, tomorrow. Same thing on this side, everything is stripped. Down to the rear end right there. Again, the roof completely stripped. Vivid and APA did a very good job not leaving too much residue, but there were some residue. But honestly, nothing that you can manage at home. So yes, this is gonna end today's video. My girlfriend did a great job taking apart the vinyl off her car. Are you excited for the new color?
Yes.
How excited?
Very excited.
We're gonna be doing black, right?
Sure.
No. Stay tuned for the next video because we're gonna get this car underway and start wrapping it tomorrow. So stay tuned. Peace.